Hello, my name is Mohamed Aiman bin Zamzani. My notice number is B0920010061. So, I will explain about our company profile. SBC, or Smart Blind Team, is a company that specializes in developing and manufacturing effective technology for visually impaired individuals. Our flagship product is a smart blanket that utilizes ultrasonic sensor to detect obstacles and provide accurate audio and vibration feedback to the user via an Arduino-based microcontroller. One of the key features of our device is its ultrasonic sensor which detects obstacles and provide accurate audio and vibration feedback to the user. It also has the ability to sense the distance and size of the obstacle, allowing the user to navigate more safely and efficiently. The device also has an Arduino-based microcontroller that makes it simple to use and provide a smooth user experience. We believe that our smart blind will empower visually impaired individuals to live more independently and safely, and we are committed to continuing to research and develop new and innovative assistive technology to meet the needs of our customers. Next, this is our company mission and vision. First, our mission is to improve the independence and safety of visually impaired individuals by providing them with advanced navigation and obstacle detection capabilities through the use of ultrasonic technology and the Arduino platform. Next, our vision is to develop a cheap, user-friendly, highly accurate device for the individual with visual impairments.
My name is Khairunnisa Binti Hairul and my metric number is B0920101128. I want to present about objective, project scope, problem statement, explanation of device and function of device. This project involves creating mechanical devices and tailoring them to lessen the dependence of the visually impaired on other family members, friends, and guide dog while moving around. Second, to increase the level of safety for blind people while walking to the target position. Lastly, modernize the smart blind stick detector while maintaining its low cost by 10%. The goal of this project is to create a smart game with an intelligent automated system that will make users safer. The project focuses on sensor verification and systems that are appropriate for customer needs and compatible with their device. The project is appropriate for usage in public space with lots of people, such sidewalk and park. It will offer a 2-meter obstacle sensor using an ultrasonic sensor and automatically transmit 8 of 40,000 hazard signals to identify the pulse of the current scenario and alert the user. The buzzer and vibrating motor that provide the output when the sensor is detected will then ensure that the user does not violate anything or anybody in front of them. Additionally, the project will force the user to keep their position and lane due to the line detector that have been placed underneath the gate. Hope that the concept and design of this project will be included into the next generation of smart kit, since it will benefit a large number of blind people and improve their quality of life. There are thousands of blind people in the world today. This group includes those with normal eyesight as well as individuals who are totally blind. To go where they want to go, they need assistance walking or crossing the street. If problem cannot be found with just the conventional stick, their standard walking stick has a limited sensor range and can only detect objects in close proximity to the user. The disadvantage of the conventional cane is that it cannot detect items that are outside its field of vision. The user must touch the surface or an item in order to experience a package. Blind folk must keep in mind the location of any pitfall and furniture. Avoid moving bed, tables, and chairs quickly to prevent accident. If a blind person shares a home with other people, everyone told to close their eyes and use their memories to navigate. The majority of people who are accustomed to moving around cities will get quite confused. Having a good mental image of their environment is critical for those who are blind. It could be challenging for someone who is blind or has low eyesight to live their comfortable surroundings. Physical mobility is a huge issue for blind people. On a crowded street, it could be challenging to stroll. As a result, the majority of blind people prefer to travel with a seeing partner. A smart cane makes it easier to navigate around obstacles, recognize and follow paths both inside and outside. The project purpose is to develop and use a smart cane for visually impaired persons to better their navigation. The project primary goal is to employ ultrasonic waves to identify impending impediments using ultrasonic sensor. A device known as an ultrasonic sensor detects input from the physical world and reacts to them. Add elements like dampness, motion, heat, and barriers. Typically, the output is a signal and that has been transformed into human-readable form. The sensor transmits this information to the Arduino when it detects impediments. A computer application known as the IDE Integrated Development Environment is used to create and upload computer code to the physical programmable circuit board that makes up the Arduino. This software is used to write and program the physical board. After processing this information, the Arduino microcontroller determines whether the impediment is close enough. If the obstruction is not immediately present, the circuit has no effect. The Arduino microcontroller sends a signal to activate a buzzer if the obstacle is nearby. Additionally, it detects water and informs the blind by sounding a distant buzzer.
Hello, my name is Ahmad Farid bin Mohamad, and now let's talk about the design sketching. So this is a design sketching of the smart cane, which is our project that has been done in about 1 week to do. So there is about 10 design sketching of the smart cane, and then we have to proceed to the analysis, which is which of the design sketching that fulfill the customer requirement. Okay, so let's talk about the path method. The path method is the method that plays the important role to do the analysis about the customer requirement and the design sketching. So which of the design sketching that fulfill the customer requirement? So in this path method diagram, so the customer requirement, which are strength, cost to manufacture, easy to use, weight, can detect the hazard or danger, quality of product, grip of hand on hand grip, safety, long-term benefit, and the customer certification. So from here, you can see that the design sketching tank almost fulfill the customer requirement or critical to quality. Okay, now let's talk about the final design of the project. So this is the final design of smart cane, which is our project. So the overall length of the smart cane is about 1232.65 millimeter, and This smart cane consists of 10 items, which is the Arduino box, buzzer, grip, rubber base, stick part 1, part 2 and part 3, switch, ultrasonic sensor, and finally the vibrator.
So hi, I'm Ridhwan. So I want to explain about flowchart design project. So the flowchart for the smart cane detector by using Arduino is based on the what ultrasonic sensor detect. So first is tag, and then you switch on the smart cane. If the smart cane detect obstacle, buzzer and vibrate on. If no detect, the buzzer and vibrate off. And then you switch on the smart cane and then
My name is Ulfa Syazwin Binti Mohamad Sahabudin, and I will explain how the device works. Okay, first we need to switch on the power button to supply power, and then the ultrasonic sensor, vibration motor, buzzer, and Arduino Uno are in on mode. The Arduino Uno links to every component of the device. After that, the ultrasonic sensor operates in accordance with the distance assumed in the code. If any obstacles are encountered, the sensor recognizes them as input function, and it will alert the user by sending the notice in the form of sound and vibration. The vibration motor will vibrate and the buzzer will produce sound to remind the user if there are any obstacles in front of them.
so the bill of material and cost. So we use 8 material such as first Arduino Uno, and second ultrasonic sensor, third battery holder, 4 vibration motor, 3 watt, 5 jumper wires male, female and male, 6 buzzer module, and 7 cane, and last one is battery 9 watt. So the price we already put in the table. So the total we use is 101 unit.
Ideas to improve device. The current device already good on its own, but there's few improvements that need to be done to make it more convenient for blind people. The improvements are provide rechargeable batteries. Why? This is because it's more convenient since you don't have to repurchase the battery. And it also environmentally friendly. And the last one is less money spent because you don't have to buy battery every time it runs out. The second one is utilize GPS navigation feature. Since the system is linked with the GSM and GPS module, it provides the direction information. It can also help to avoid the obstacle based on ultrasonic sensor. And lastly, it can facilitate the easier communication in case of emergency.
In conclusion, this project aims to improve the convenience and safety for visually impaired individuals by creating a smart cane using ultrasonic sensor and Arduino. The cane detects obstacles and alerts the user, allowing for complete independence. The use of Arduino keeps the device low cost and easy to maintain. The goal is to reduce dependence on others, increase safety, and modernize the cane while keeping it affordable. As we see companies expand the technology to improve in the future.